November X 2019. Shout out mom for the grad gift.
Hey guys, we did something crazy.
We'll give you a couple clues. Has to do with the air, not an everyday thing.
Oh yeah, we bought something. Well, I guess it's not gonna be ours, but it's an experience that we're gonna be doing in about an hour. So we're gonna film that. We won't exactly tell you what it is, I guess, yet.
No, we'll keep it a secret for right now.
We've both never done it before.
No. We talked about doing similar things to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
it's gonna be super exciting. You guys will like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you have to stay tuned and you will find out what we get up to soon.
What we're doing in 1 hour.
Right, guys?
So while we're waiting to do the thing, we got food.
We got some dope carnival food.
Here, I can hold it up.
Okay.
So Carlos got pepperoni pizza, 2 pieces. It's huge. I'm just telling them exactly.
Yeah.
And I got
It's like
tacos.
It's like we switched. Like I should be getting that, and she should be getting this.
Except your girl doesn't like pizza.
Oh, true.
And then I have to squeeze the lime on it.
Okay, put the lime on the taco
Lime and
nuts.
the coconut and mix it all up.
And to make sure that it's a healthy meal, we got water.
Water.
So it's all healthy.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's what we gotta eat.
Yeah, I'm ready. Are you?
I'm ready to take off. Okay, are you ready?
No. Let's go to this one.
Okay.
Time to reveal the big surprise.
3, 2,
1.
Let's go!
For those of you who can't read that, we're going on a helicopter ride. Our ride is here.
Let's do it.
get
Let's get it. concludes our Red River X visit.
Yes, it's now like 9 o'clock. It's pouring rain. Oh,
Sorry.
we're
We're soaked.
Yeah, we're soaked.
Didn't
Look at
serve my
Carlos'
hat.
hair. I'm wearing his hat. I look like a wet dog.
I won.
Carlos won me an avocado. If you guys watch my other videos, you know I love avocado. So thank you, Carlos.
Hey, no problem, no problem.
Best gift ever. So, helicopter ride was awesome. Oh, we can't read. That said no egg. We're fogging up a bit because it's literally pouring, but helicopter ride was awesome.
Super fun.
Yeah, it was super cool. Like, it was only a 10-minute ride. We went up and down, but we'll remember it forever. It was a really cool experience. So yeah, we had a cool day.
Yeah.
So
Recommend everyone. Red River X. It's here every year.
yeah,
You may think you're getting older, but we still had an amazing time.
it was so much fun. Okay, so see you guys next time.
See y'all later.
Peace.